Welcome back mga kasambahay, mga ka-sports. Nandito pa rin po tayo sa Inara Sports Arena para sa 4th game day ng UNTV Cup Season 3. Katatapos lamang po ng ating first game kung saan nakapagtala ng second win this season ang PNP Responders sa kanilang laban kontra HOR Solon sa score na 110-64. At bago natin simulan ang ating second game for today, pakinggan muna natin ang ating mga kasambahay kung anong mga kupunan ang inaabangan nila ngayong Season 3. Let's watch this.
Sinong favorite team mo sa bakit?
Ano po, PNP. Kasi galing po nung teamwork nila tsaka nung pasahan po nila ng bola, talagang minsan ko lang po makita yung gano'n.
Ang paborito ko pong team, yung pong judiciary naman po kasi kumbaga yung pag naglalaro po sila, kumbaga yung focus nila talagang nasa laro lang.
AFP po. Kasi po lagi silang nasa finals. Tsaka nung nakaraan sila po yung may puso sila pag naglaro. May teamwork.
NHA po kasi ang gagaling po kasi nila, tapos ang bibilis po eh.
Sino naman ang favorite team mo sa UNTV Cup sa bakit?
HOR. Kasi kahit minsan wala silang kapalitan, kaya pa rin nila.
MMDA po. Kasi po, ang ganda po ng mga depensa nila.
PFP po. Kasi po magaling sila, tapos may puso sila maglaro. The best, cool.
At sa ating mga kasambahay na nanonood ngayon, we would like to hear from you kung anong teams ang inaabangan nyo ngayong Season 3 at bakit. Just post your comments on our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/UNTVCup. At huwag nyong kalimutan gamitin ang hashtag UNTVCup3. At para sa mga avid fans ng UNTV Cup na always on the go, you can still stay updated sa ating mga games. Just download the official UNTV mobile app for free at napapanood nyo na ang ating mga games. Real-time po yan, mga kasambahay. At samantala, at this point, we're about to begin the second game for today. Ang labanan ng bagitong kupunan, ang hardcourt matchup ng NHA Builders kontra GSIS Furies. Let's start out with the games with our birthday celebrant, Seb Sarmenta and Jolly Escobar. Take it away.
Okay. Bakit ko pa sasalamatan si Ryan? Ayoko nga. Suplado. Suplado. O ito, ang NHA laban sa GSIS. Itong NHA, 2 beses naglaro. Jolly minalas pa, hindi pa nananalo sa Bini-Bennett Palad. Baka today, baka makasilat. Pero sa GSIS, subukan nyo.
And GSIS, ganun din. Sir, they are 0-1. Ito nga, NHA naman, ganun 0-2 like you mentioned. So, well, one of these teams will break into the win column today. Ang kwento ni Bennett, sabi ko yung team niya, bira naman kayo, penalty pa kayo, sundot pa kayo na sundot. Ano ba naman? His team daw is still learning yung mga ganon diskarte sa laro. First time to be together. So, yung love of the game, no question naman. I think dalawa tayong, I think we call that game.
Ayan, ginawa mo kapatid ni Joey.
Na hindi naman.
Okay, so, ang pinakamahirap, Jolly, yung wala pang panalo, pero yun ang mag-create na excitement dito sa laro na ito.
Totoo. Yun nga, like I said, syempre, gusto nila makabreak into that win column. And puspusa naman sila ng pag-ensay. You mentioned yung kanilang chemistry. Medyo questionable pa. They're a new team. Pero titignan natin ngayon. It makes for exciting basketball. Yan ang wala pa silang panalo, sir.
Oo, itong NHA, rat-rat ito eh. Nagmamadali. Masusubukan sila sa GSIS na mahilig din tumakbo. So, pakilala na natin ang ating mga players pati ang starting lineups. Padala natin ito sa mamang malaking boses.
Welcome back here at the Inara Sports Arena for today's second game in our triple header between the two newest teams in the league. The NHA Builders in the GSIS Furies in the UNTV Cup Season 3, first round of the eliminations. Give it up first for your NHA Builders. Number 5, Mark Valdez. Number 6, Julius Bernal. Number 9, Antonio Palad. Number 13, Marvin Dadia. Number 15, Samuel Verba. Number 18, Waldemar Tibay. Number 22, Ricky Feliciano. Number 24, Reynaldo Guillermo. Number 30, Norman Santos. Number 31, Muhammad Al-Haisani. Number 48, Marcelo Dorolfo. Number 51, Ferdinand Saludes. and number 56, Joselino Aquino. Their head coach is Bennett Ballad. Assistant coaches are Rogelio Ragon, Ronaldo Nacion, Alan De Vera, and Jose Adolfo. Make some noise now for your GSIS Furies. Number 1, Ricardo Bautista. Number 2, Tristan Hernandez. Number 3, Dennis Bunye. Number 4, Ruel Sibal. Number 5, Michael Beran. Number 6, Rohan Bayon. Number 8, Romeo De Luna. Number 10, Paul De La Cuadra. Number 15, Donald Manigbas. Number 18, Adriel Salgado. Number 21, Homer Garcia. Number 24, June Alfonso. Number 28, Michael Doyana. And number 31, Franklin Dorado. Their head coach is Eduardo Fernandez. Assistant coaches are Stephen Mopera and Michael Sagigit. Let's first call out the starters of your NHA Builders. At guard number 18, Waldemar Tibay. The other guard number 13, Marvin Ladia. At center number 9, Antonio Palad. At forward number 48, Marcelo Durolfo. In the other forward number 56, Joselino Aquino. Check out now the starters of your GSIS Furies. At guard number 3, Dennis Bunye. The other guard number 6, Rohan Bayon. At center number 15, Donel Manigbas. At forward number 2, Tristan Hernandez. In the other forward number 21, Homer Garcia. Our officials for this game, Buddy Cortez, June Santiago, and Jong Banayat. This is your UNTV Cup. Ito ang bagong game ko.
Pinaalis ng referee yung undershirt ba o jewelry? Undershirt
Baka-
siguro.
Hindi naman nakalitaw yung undershirt na yun. But, well,
Baka hindi, para kasi FIBA rules eh. Ayan, pinatanggal. Lolo, malay mo, may anting-anting. Diba?
well,
One,
Sev, yung NHA dati ay yung huling playing date, ano? Magkasama tayo nun. Yung NHA, may kalaban silang dalawang malaki nun. Yung si Baltasar at saka si Marlon Legaspi, you remember? Kaya yung natapat yung sinasabi natin si Valdez, he had his hands full nung time nun. Pero it seems na mas may konting advantage sa size ngayon itong NHA against GSIS.
At saka baka tama ka, in terms of size, hindi naman ganun ang disadvantage. Mukhang may bisita ka rin.
Ngayon si Coach Mike Sagigit siyang haligi muna ngayon ng GSIS kasi wala dito si Coach Ed. No? Nasaan po ba ngayon si Coach Ed?
Bali may work siya ngayon sa office kaya hindi siya makapunta dito sa amin sa game.
2 weeks pong nakapahinga itong ating GSIS Furies. Ano pong paghahanda ang ginawa nyo against the NHA Builders? Kasi maganda ang naging game nila against the EFP at Senate teams.
Bali yung 2 weeks break namin, nag-practice kami 3 times a week, yung 2 linggo na yun. And then against NHA, yung game plan namin, bali ang in-instill ko dun sa mga players ko na basta makontrol namin si Tibay at saka si Ladia, maganda yung magiging resulta ng game namin.
And who are the players na we will be expecting to step up for today's ball game?
Si Bayon, si Box Bayon, Donel Manigbas, si Homer Garcia, at saka si Kiwi Hernandez.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Coach, and good luck for today's ball game, Seth.
Thank you, Rina.
Okay. Salamat.
Back to you.
Okay, eto na. Ang score natin, Jolly, 7-0?
Yes.
Ang bilis hindi magpasimulain ito para sa NHA.
Maganda ang start nga nitong GSIS. Si Coach Sev nakausap ni Rina mention 2-3 players dun sa kanyang GSIS team. Hindi niya minention si Michael Nuyana na ang ganda ng ginawa nung kanilang previous game. Although it was a loss, 10-point deficit yung final score nila against MMDA. MMDA, galing yan. Nagtatatakbo yan sila.
Oo, yun,
Very quick
takbuhin
team.
team din yun eh.
Oo.
Kanina isang Osteogard go, galaw, 3-point shot. Alam mo, mayroon tayong mga rat-rat teams dito eh. Ito yung NHA, GSIS. Saka alam mo itong NHA na scout na rin ito eh. Aquino, sinubukan ulit sa labas, ayaw. Walang tira sa labas ng NHA eh. Hernandez, ito binilisan, matake, may foul. May free throw.
Pero yung meron ding matinding player dito nga, itong si Tibay, number 18. Takbo the last yung kanilang yung laro.
Si Quicksilver Waldemar
Yes.
Tibay na di ba sabi nga ng tatay niya, actually ang magandang sobriquet daw sa kanya, Snatcher. Sabi ko, huwag naman, pwede na yung Quicksilver. Okay, narito naman.
Si Manigbas will make a first of 2 free throws. Dalawa, 2 of 2.
Ba, maganda si Magkabay, 9-0 Ito na. At saka ang depensa ng GSIS, tinaas nila. No? Nag 1-2-2 sila ng half court. Hirap yun. Hirap yung NHA. Match sila sa size pero mukhang sa strategy tagilid sila.
Ganda nga yung inapuna mo na yun. Talagang sinasalubong sila sa half court pa lang. Tibay had maganda yung gusto niyang gawin. Ipapasa sa may ilalim pero ang kanyang kakape was not ready at the time. Dapat ready rin sila para sa mga pasa nitong si Tibay.
Tibay breaks away. Nice dish at the last moment. Finally, their first basket.
Actually, yan ang 1-2 punch itong NHA. Si
Yep.
Ladya.
Si Ladya.
Si Tibay.
Si Ladya at saka si Tibay, pag nag-combine, good things happen. Nice play. Ang ganda ng half-court set ng GSIS. That is going to connect. Hernandez finding the pocket.
Very nice half-court set nga. Like an extra pass nandun sa corner. Yung Hernandez, nice 3-pointer para sa GSIS.
Tristan Hernandez. In the meantime, ang ganda ng double team. Very disciplined maglaro ang GSIS. Hernandez slows it down, sends it to the wing. It's a daring three. That won't bite, however. Ladya is fouled by Hernandez.
Quick foul. Plus, you can call it a smart foul na rin dahil na-scout na rin nila itong NHA team and Ladya and Tibay para wala na silang masira na yung momentum ng kanilang fast break. Quick foul na, no?
Fatrol, I am fit. I am a 3-point shot was just unfurled for you a moment ago. We're down to 6.5 minutes in the opening quarter. Corner shot. Oh, referees nullified the attempt. There's an offensive foul whistled against. It's number 30, Santos yata.
Very slow start para dito sa NHA.
Sobra.
They have to go to their running game. That is their strength. Again, those two, that 1-2 punch of Marvin Ladya.
Norman Santos called for that foul. Here is a handoff, angled away by Santos. And here comes Tibay with it. And it's open court. Tibay out of control. Tries to get it back and Tibay just went berserk there.
Tama ka. Medyo out of control siya the time. He has to settle down. Alam natin na may galing siya talaga. So, kailangan relax lang siya.
Alam mo si Tibay, walang crossover. Tibay pag nakuha niya, right lang siya.
Yes.
Wala siyang crossover.
Napakalakas nga lang ng kanan niya. So, if you give him that, patay ka na.
At saka hindi siya nag i-stutter step, wala siyang hesitation, diretso.
Straight to the basket.
Straight. Ooh, good block by Ladya from behind, but Feliciano may have been guilty of the foul.
Again, free throws para dito sa, that's considered yung big man na nila yan, si Manigbas, likes to play underneath the basket, pero yun na nga, panay ang atake niya. Like ito, nakakuha siya ng loose ball doon. He will be fouled. Free throws na naman.
Feliciano was called for that foul. Here's that big guy who takes care of business. And sabi mo nga, number 15, si Donel Manigbas, who so far has been very productive, takes care of the free throws as well. 4 points na si Manigbas.
All from the free throw line.
Ganun ba?
Oo. Maganda ang kanyang touch from the line. 4 out of 4 ang kanyang charities.
We have Michael Berand, an internal auditor with the Government Service Insurance System. Kung tayong mga hindi nagtatrabaho sa pamahalaan ay may SSS, ito po ang GSIS ang in charge sa mga government employees. Samantala, nakakuha sila diyan ng isang basket na medyo hirap.
Oo. Tough shot, pero medyo may upper body strength din siya. Kaya nung binangga siya, still made the basket. Ay, itong si Marvin Ladia.
Si Berba papasok. Mali, nagpapaalam sa'yo. Ewan ko bakit.
Sige lang, pasok.
Pareho yata, barbero niyo. Huli, Santos. Traveling, ang tama. Kala ko, offensive foul, pero traveling. Pwede na yan.
Nagasa ito si Manigpas Tumalsik itong number 30 ng NHA na si Santos. They have to hold their ground against him.
Bennett Pala, there's no choice. He has to play small very often. That's the material he has. Tibay top of the key. It won't bite. Rebound, contested. It'll go and stay on that side of the floor.
Valdemar Tibay, he really gets up for his jump shot. Talagang itinatalon niya yung kanyang 3-pointer. So very hard to block kung kasing tangkad mo siya or baka kung may konting lamang ka lang na height, hindi mo aabutin yung kanyang 3-point shot
Tibay, unlucky still from three-point country, second straight attempt. GSIS rather, playing a very deliberate game. That shot does not work. Feliciano with the hand on it, and it'll go the other way. Bennett Pala doesn't like what he's seen so far. They're down early by 10, and he wants to talk to his crew in green and white. Ang ating kasalukuyang score ay 14-4, lamang ang GSIS Furies, ang kupunan ng Government Service Insurance System. Ito po si Seb Sarmeta kasama si Jolly Escobar at si Rino Villamor para sa inyong UNTV Cup para sa araw na ito. May mga bagong mukha sa floor. Babalasahin natin na habang dumadaan sila. Merong foul. Number 6 ang foul. Si Rohan Jude Bayon. Yung first 5 ng GSIS, malakas maganda. Ito, pero ito mas may size, Jolly ito.
Maganda ng start kasi din nila Di ba itong GSIS titignan natin kung patuloy nilang mga gagawa ito. The whole good. Ganda, nice left-handed there.
He misled the defense by letting them think he was going right. Then he suddenly stretched and scored. There's an offensive foul whistled against GSIS.
Si Bayon, yun ang sinabi ng mga coach itong GSIS na one of the guys to watch out for. A nice left-handed layup ang ipinakita niya, player from GSIS. Siya maglalabas ngayon ng bola, pero may mga bagong pasok dito para sa
si
NHA.
Sunny.
Yes.
Si Sunny na mga 5 oras nag-aayos ng buhok bago mag-upisa ang laro. Nice penetration with nothing on the short step. Ball is loose on the ground. Here's Berand. Here's a drive to the basket. Oh, change of hands. He didn't get the basket. Nothing for Michael Noyana.
Magaling yan si Michael Noyana. Gandang kanyang previous game. Although yun na nga, I mentioned they lost. Pero good for, I think, double-double and a lot of rebounds happened.
Malaking tao ito. Noyana is 5'11". Looks larger than 5'11" actually. Sunny.
May width siya
Shot clock at 9. Sunny lets it fly. No. Alam mo, walang sure ball kasi itong NHA, no? Walang, except on the break. Feliciano, however, tries to break and scores.
Parang narinig ka nun, Seba. Enough with the 3-pointers, no? Attack the basket. At that time, maganda ginawa ng NHA. Maganda-gandang half-court set nila.
Because they were not really getting anything from the outside. Sunny, no, nice read to Ladia. This could be a piece of cake. Yes.
Tama ka. Very good heads-up play galing dun sa Sunny. Nakita niya, may ipit na siya ng dalawa. Basta forward pass. And they get a steal here, sir.
16-8. Tibay is going to come back in. This is this kind of game. Wants to run with them as well. Feliciano Is it a 3? May buwelo. Sayang, hindi pumasok. Long pass. Beran, nice lead. And hindi na kailangan ng foul.
Oo nga. Well, this NHA team, nakita natin, Seb, they pulled out itong si Valdemar Tibay for a few minutes, pero they do not have the luxury na iupo siya ng matagal. No? So, right back in, babalik na naman siya. Kahit na nag-miss siya sa mga 3-pointers niya, siya talaga ang may mataas na porsyento sa scoring dyan para sa NHA.
So Garcia will visit the free throw line after being fouled by Ladia. Verba is going out, and Tibay, as you mentioned, is back in. Beran moves out. Hernandez rather, is on the floor anew. 3-point play completed.
Very much in control itong first quarter, itong GSIS, at 11-point lead, no? At 1 point, parang 9-0 ito. Tagal bago makascore ng NHA.
They are very tall players. Ilan lang yung 5'7". Karamihan 5'10", 5'11". Samantala, that loose ball is picked up. It's a 2-on-1. Oh, nice gather. Tinago yung bola. Well done by Franklin Dorato.
Keeping the defense guessing. And hindi alam kung pagka-gather, kung ipapasa or i-lay-up niya. Very nice decision from Dorato.
Mark Valdez is going to come in just after the announcement of this last foul.
Dorato gives up a hard foul dito kay Marvin Ladia. No? So that's going to be free throws para sa kanya.
Sani is out and Valdez is in.
Yan si Big Boy Valdez in the ball game. All he has to do is get a bunch of rebounds para sa kanyang tupunan na NHA, tapos tatakbo na. Yung sinasabi nating 1-2 punch nila.
Kaso pag malalaki yung kasabay, gaya yung sinabi mo nung last game nila against the Senate, hirap sila. And it is a 21-9 affair. GSIS now will face a full court press.
Lakas.
And success so far.
Pag magandang full court press, tapos talagang yung ball pressure, pag maganda, yan ang nangyayari. Nagiging out of control ang mga pasahan. So ayun na nga, malakas. That's going to be third para sa GSIS.
Saka pag nag-set in ang panic, importante dyan, don't stop dribbling.
Yes, bigay mo na sa mga ball handlers mo na magagaling. Hindi nagpapanik yung mga yan.
There's Valdez trying to curl. Set up job for Santos. It's high up and out. Feliciano erased from that last play by Nuyana. Nuyana attacks. Finding room. Lost control, but they'll keep the possession.
Bilis, tinakbo niya yung bola. Michael Nuyana showing us kaya niya yung talagang i-handle ang bola at full speed.
Hernandez. Bautista lost control. Tibay half step away and gone.
That is going to be their strength. They put up a bunch of 3-pointers, unsuccessful, pero pagka ganyang open court, meron silang advantage dyan.
They're trying to apply a lot of pressure because they want to cut down this lead, which now stands at 10 before the second quarter starts. A near steal. Donato got it over El De La Cuadra.
Smart pass galing dito kay Dorato. Finding a wide open De La Cuadra dyan sa may ilalim.
Cutting down to the final minute of the opening period. Slowed down by a bit of penalty here. And there's a foul. It is on De La Cuadra.
I see the potential of this NHA team talaga. They just have to make stops na very important. Mga defensive stops sila, tapos takbo.
And make some free throws. They need points from everywhere they can get them.
But if they were making their yung mga long shots na mga 3-pointers, long twos nila, baka iba ang complexion itong first quarter.
Most likely.
Hindi talaga pumapasok ng umpisa.
23-12. Bautista says, let's slow it down. We have the lead as well as the time advantage here, but this guy has other plans. Hernandez a 3. Bounces off the iron. And it's downstairs. Oh, good feed. Hindi lang na-shoot ni Nuyana. Tibay, 3 steps ahead. Parang karera.
We're talking about ito si Valdemar Tibay. Ano po, a total of 6 points na ata kung di ako nagkakamali.
In the meantime, that shot goes nowhere. 20 seconds remaining. Nice eye in the sky. Madlib na lang yun. Walang pupuntahan. Ladja trying to control it, and there is a foul.
Oh, yung dalawa na naman, nagko-conspire that time. Miss ni Tibay, pero rebound naman ng Ladja. So at least yung kanilang ending ng first quarter, maibababa nila from kanina 10 points yan or more pa. Eh ngayon 9 na lang and possibly baka maibababa ni Ladja yan.
Hernandez was guilty of the foul. Oh boy, alam mo kasi, pagod na pagod kakatakbo itong mga NHA. Pagdating sa free throw line, kubos na sa kubos.
Yung dalawa talaga ang bumabanat para sa NHA Ladja. That's a total of 8 points para sa kanya.
Bernal is coming in for Feliciano. May iwanan, sinabi na ni Bennett. Oh, pero nakuha ang bola. One last shot coming. Tibay. Loops it up. No. Could have been one extra pass. 23-15. Nagawa ng NH o ng GSIS ang gusto nilang gawin, Jolly.
Oo, at least naibaba nila ng 8. Single digits lang atong kalamangan ng GSIS.
Umpisahan po natin ang second quarter sa 23-15. Yung NHA, nabasa ilang pangalawang beses natin i-cover ito. Anong kulang palagay mo yung NHA yung first quarter, Jolly?
Oo, partner. Yun na nga, they were just not hitting yung kanilang mga jump shots. No? May nakita tayo si Valdemar Tibay, okay naman ang kanyang mga 3-pointers. He has a nice stroke. We mentioned, maganda talagang din na jump shot niya yung kanyang mga 3-pointers. He missed both. At yung mga iba, tumusubok din ng mga jumpers from malalayo. Hindi very unsuccessful pa rin. Pero nung nag-fast break na sila, tumatakbo na si Tibay, nagkaroon ng konting success kaya naipaba nila ng 8 yung kalamangan nitong GSIS. Ito, they're just not making stops, partner. Itong umpisa ng second quarter, an easy basket na naman from GSIS.
Rina, what do you have?
Yes, kanina nga before the start of this ball game, nakausap ko si Coach Bennett Palad at ang sabi pa niya sa akin kanina, he's confident that they can win this ball game. No? Nahirapan lang daw sila mag-adjust dun sa kanilang tao in that first quarter at mabagal ang naging kanilang transition. Also, they cannot play complacent today's ball game. No? They have to take advantage dahil hindi naman daw dominating mga big men at shooters nitong kabilang koponan. Of course, for today's ball game, they will be banking on their fast break hopefully at yung kanilang mga shooters dun sa frontline. Dapat hindi lang silang maasa dito sa kanilang quicksilver na si Tibay para maglaro para sa kanilang kupunan. Two players who won't see action for today's ball game. Andyan si Sarmiento at si Cruz who has work commitments for today. Sev?
Alamat, parehang tama rin, parehang sinasabi nyo ni Jolly. They should try their hand shooting from the outside, but Jolly correctly pointed out, just couldn't nail those open flips. And this press might just be heaven sent for them. Nice steal. Santos attacks, and he'll go to the free throw line after being fouled by number 8, Romeo De Luna.
Ito the other NHA guys, no, other than Valdemar Tibay and Ladja, they have to be ready dun sa mga drop passes nila Tibay sa ilalim. Kasi itong si Tibay, he attracts a lot of attention sa opensa. No? At they have scouted him, alam nilang magaling siya. So marunong siya mag-decoy. Yung mga drop pass, dapat ready na yung mga kasama na dyan just to ma-assure ball sa may ilalim.
Santos missing both charity opportunities, and Rihanna being hounded in the backcourt, taken away. Here comes Quicksilver, and that is blocked, but he'll visit the free throw line.
Small but terrible. Malaki sa kanya, Tibay, just attacking the basket. Malaki yung Rihanna, changing hands, at nakakuha siya ng foul dyan. It's gonna be free throws. Ito yung magandang hindi naman pwedeng tawagan ng warding off. Hindi naman talaga nag-extend yung kanyang kanang kamay.
Saka, pabor sa opensa yung sitwasyon na yun. In the meantime, Tibay scoring on the first. 5 points na siya. They got 6. You know, I also think he has to score more.
Correct, oo.
No?
Actually, silang dalawa nga ni Ladya. Ladya's 8 points siya. Unti-unti nang nagkakapuntos. 6 na itong si Valdemar Tibay.
We're coming down to 8:58 in the second quarter. Early timeout requested by, I think, the GSIS yata
Oo, oo.
Kasi biglang rumatrat na
Correct.
bawasan na to 6 ang kanilang lamang. No?
Coming to life. Talagang alam din nila yung kanilang advantage, which is the open court. Ano? At yun na nga, like you mentioned, 6 na lang itong mga kalamangan ng GSIS.
Ito kasi yung press. Kahit pa paano nakakanakaw eh. Ito, nagulantang. Bunyi, gives it to block by Tibay.
Tibay, pinapakita sa atin not only in the offensive side, pero can get block shots as well sa depensa.
Tibay trying to sneak in and snatch it. He does. The snatcher. Silver takes care of it.
Marami ng steal na rin itong si Tibay. 3 steals na rin. And then he converts it pa, no?
Hindi ganun kadaling magsumundot ng bola sa basketball. Undergoes that. Here comes. I thought the NHA was off and running. Penetration. Yes, yes. Hammers it home.
Ginamit yung pangangatawan itong si Michael Noyana. Ganda. Leaning into the defense tapos getting yung kanyang layup. Nice play galing kay Noyana.
Ooh, sayang. Empty possession. Wasted.
Oo. Well, pero suddenly we have a ball game. 6 lang itong kalamangan na ng GSIS at very manageable lang para sa NHA yan.
De Luna receiving it. Nice cut by Noyana to the basket. Just couldn't catch it. Ladias back in the ball game. Bernal sits down. Noyana close range. It's a risky pass. Feliciano, 1-on-none. Ito na ang NHA.
Not taking care of the ball. Ang GSIS that time, a knockout play sana, pero another steal para sa NHA. And here we go again, another steal para sa NHA.
Ladya making sure that the ball goes to a sure scorer. And look at this, they're within 2. And that ball is lost by Garcia.
Half-court press ang pinapakita ng GSIS kanina. Narate lang ng NHA. Full court naman. Ito nga sila Tibay and Ladya. Full court press ang pinapakita ng NHA.
Tibay, 3. No, hindi niya tira, no? Sinubukan niya sundutin sa likod. Sasabayan niya. Kulang ng tao ang NHA sa baba.
Kailangan sabihin ni Coach Bennett dyan, mag-sprint back sila pagka ganyan, ano? Habol din sa depensa kahit medyo, just try to be there.
Biglang 4 ang lamang, below 7 minutes now. Verba and Sani are going to come back in. Pagod na yung Tibay. Tingal kabayo na yun.
Lalabas yata muna ni Coach Bennett kasi syempre under 7 minutes, second quarter pa lamang ito, full 2 quarters of basketball ahead of them, and he knows those are one of his guys na kailangan hopefully magko-close out ng laro mamaya. No?
Tibay dati nang naglaro yan, pero matagal din na blanco yan eh, di ba? Iba yung hangin pang basketball eh.
Totoo.
Tsaka yung competitive league. Kasi kailangan mong bumaba sa depensa.
So, yun.
Kung tayo-tayo lang na laro, di huwag kang dumipensa. Yan ang mga pick-up games na si Eric Reyes ang paborito kong kampe.
Talaga?
Atat sa depensa yun eh.
Kaparehas ko yun.
Ako namamasyal sa Luneta.
Ikaw, taga-senyorito, taga-shoot ka eh.
Tigalabas ng bola. Tigalabas ng bola. Si Eric Reyes, maatat sa depensa yun. Samantala, 6:20 ang nalalabay. Jump shot. Short. Verba, sinubukang sungkitin pabalik. Ito na. Dahan-dahan. Ay, humihinto ka na maaga. Huwag kang hihinto na maaga sa NHA. Nice pass. Nice no-look pass.
Very nicely done, no? The cut. Hindi nila alam saan pupunta yung pasa. At ang eksakto naman ang cut nitong si Manigbas and a nice finish on the layup.
Verba tries to backpedal. Sani. Palad. Ladia. Shot clock problem. Verba. Oh, close range.
Sayang yan. Mga shots na gano'n. Gimmicks. Shoot mo na yung under
Kasi
the basket. Oo.
31-27 na
Oo.
sana. In the meantime, Sani is moving up. Tibay is trying to hustle back in, but traveling. Good call.
Yan ang nagagawa ng ball pressure talaga eh. Mapapa-turnover mo yung pag hindi masyadong sanay mag-handle ng bola, no?
Ito na, yung mga coaches binabasa nila yung moments in the game. Ito, feeling ni Bennett, they can step on the gas pedal here.
This five, ano?
But basta they should make their shots and not waste opportunities. Here's a Hernandez three-point attempt. No, Tibay allows it to bounce. Tibay will fly. Nice behind the back pass to Feliciano. No completion though.
Sayang, ganda nung behind the back pass ni Tibay sa kanya. Di na-finish si Feliciano.
Foul by Feliciano and the basket as well.
Smart play galing dito kay Beran, ano, leaning into the defense, ano, taking a hit. Na-shoot pa niya yung bola at may bonus free throw siya. So, ganda ng pagka-swing nun.
Yung NHA exciting. Ang GSIS efficient maglaro. Doesn't complete the three-point play. We're coming below 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Tibay now surrounded. Control. Konting control. Yeah. Can't be all breakneck all the time. Tibay trying to play small ball with Feliciano. Hooks it inside. Will go visit the free throw line.
Feliciano also a part of the mga kanilang offensive options. You know, Brethren, he had a nice layup earlier. Si Tibay also looks for him dyan sa may break. Yung behind the back pass kanina, hindi lang na-finish ni Feliciano. Yung mga ganun, sana ay sure ball na nila. No? Kasi rarely will you get yung mga wide open looks na ganyan.
Ano? Makakachoko to si Benny. Pasyutan mo ng free throw to pag napapagod. Diba, ganun naman talaga eh, no? Pagpagod ka, saka magdidrill ng free throw.
Papaguring ka muna nila sa ensayo. O tapos free throws, yun ang mga ensayo.
Kasi nagsushoot ka ng free throw. Pagod. Look at this. GSIS simply burning NHA, not with size, but with some smart plays at close range. Saludes and Santos are in for NHA, replacing Feliciano. And number 48, that is Durolfo.
Manigbas, again, on the line. Ano? Actually, unang field goal niya pa lamang yun.
Sabi mo nga, lahat ng puntos niya from the free throw line. Ano, ha? So, Tibay trying to set the table. Verba with the 3. No. Ito, tres ang problema. No? Kailangan talaga sa basketball ngayon, may tres kayo. No? Hindi pwedeng wala.
Or at least 1 or 2 players na medyo good percentage talaga para you can go to them. Ano?
Parang merong automatic. No? Easy basket.
Parang walang resistance dun sa defense ng NHA. Dapat pagka ganun, salubungin ng mas mataas naman around the free throw area. Masyadong malalim yung pagsalubong.
Difficult attempt. Tibay dropping to the deck, and as Santos was trying to create, he was tagged on the arm.
Nice heads up play galing dito kay Santos. Let's see if he's going to be able to manufacture some points dyan from the free throw area. Hindi hinahabol ng GSI yung kanilang defensive rebound that time.
Bayon with the foul, and the verb you used is most appropriate because they do have to manufacture the points at this juncture. Because ayaw ng layup, ayaw ng jump shot. Tara, free throw tayo. Santos secures the first.
Maganda-ganda. Net lamang ang tinamaan. First of 2 free throws para dito kay Santos. Total of 4 points na siya.
Yun, linis. Dalawang manufacturing efforts there. They trim down the lead to 9. Bumaba na sa 1 yun eh. Ay. Hindi makatiis eh.
Reaching in. Eh, pagka ganyan talaga, especially ngayon, ang mga referees ngayon, reach in ka, 9 times out of 10
Oo,
itatawag
no?
talaga yung foul. Oo.
Dati, papayagan nila yung,
Pwede pa eh, oo,
yung tapik sa kamay, ano? Ooh, tough angle to work with. And that's not a problem for Rohan Jude Bayon.
Using his left hand, ano, mahirap din talaga sa palpalin na timing ng
Kaliwete.
kaliwete. Oh.
Kahit any sport, di mo
Oo.
alam kung saan nagagaling.
Ito.
Lead pass, good catch by Hernandez. Walang tingin. And Bernal was running interference.
Not a good foul. Parang out of control na eh, no?
Wala nang tira yun
Oo,
eh.
Low percentage na yung magiging layup niya. Dapat bumitaw na dun yung nag-foul. Ano? Dahil that was going to be a wild shot. Medyo chamba na lang yung kung papasok.
Hernandez takes care of free throw number 1.
Sayang din para sa NHA. Humabol na eh,
Oo,
no?
biglang 13 na ngayon. No? (41-28), 13-point lead. Valdez is back in the game. Time down to 3:28 in a fast-moving first half.
I would like to see Valdez throw his weight around. Ang laki.
Throw his weight around. From behind niya ginawa.
Siya pang matatawagan na foul dyan dahil ito ay si Manig Masis. Magaling pumwesto under the basket. Ano?
Sa likod niya hinok eh.
Oo. Free throws na naman ito para dito kay Manig Masis. Very good clip. I think he's 4. Yes, he is. 4 out of 5 free throws. Mataas ang kanyang porsyento.
Saka cool siya.
Oo, swabe lang eh.
Free throw, antay, relax. Pag pumasok yung free throw, sabi ni Bennett Palad, time out siya. Eh, hindi pumasok. So, tuloy yung laro. Tatawag na yan, hindi na niya maiuwi yan.
Malaki na rin kasi ito, Seth. 14 na itong kalamangan ng GSIS.
Ito sabi mo. Ayaw talaga. Follow up. Nahuli ni Santos yung bola pero hindi ma-swak pero free throw siya. Had 2 points there earlier, but Bennett Palad will now utilize the timeout with the score at 42-28. The UNTV Cup returns after this.
Konting body language, then backdoor. Laging merong ganon. Come on, go! Vaccine 1 pa rin tayo. Vaccine 1.
Box and 1 ang naririnig ko. Iba box nila, tapos malagay ko si Tibay yung 1.
Siyempre yung pinaka-threat na rin dyan sa NHA. Tama rin yan, even if they have a comfortable lead, walang relax, no? Talagang tuloy pa rin ang puspusa pa rin ang kanilang depensa.
Santos doing a good job shooting free throws. Guillermo, a new face on the floor for NHA, sees some action. Long inbound. Tibay blocks it away. Dish off to the left side. Ayaw. Yun ang mga hinayan. Oh, may foul. Sa likod. Double foul. Dalawang kaliskisan.
Oo. Jockeying for position. Di ko nakita. My eyes were on the ball. Tinitingnan ko to si Valdez. Di nahawakan yung rebound. No?
Si Tibay at saka si Bayon. So, that neutralizes each other. Possession arrow now pointing towards the GSIS. Parang kasi jump ball situation. The attack, no look pass. Tama yung ginagawa ng GSIS sa ilalim natin upakan. But they lose the possession.
Parang galing sa labas ata si Manig pa siya. The foot on the line bago nung pagkapasa sa kanya. No?
Our clock coming down to 2:40 and the referee's whistle halting action. Foul. Si Cuatro. Well, Siban.
Well, if you are
Siya yung 1 eh.
Oo. If you're an NHA fan, that's not a good sight itong si Tibay going down. Pero it seems okay. Medyo shaking off yung kanyang kaliwang balikat.
Ano yun, niliteral ni Sibal yung 1. Si Tibay misses the first.
Alam mo, he has a nice stroke. Okay yung kanyang tira. Hindi lang talaga parang short lang yung kanyang mga 3-pointers kanina. Pero oras na pumasok yun.
Confidence lang yan eh.
Oo.
Magalaw yung stroke niya eh. Or is it yung pag-aim? Aim ko dyan. Ito, touching ko na lang. Nice block from behind. That's a clean block. No problem about the defensive know-how of Michael Noyana.
Itong Michael Noyana to does a lot of things on the court. No? Gets rebounds, marunong siya mag-assist. Pwede rin siya he also can provide for some points. Nagpakita ng block shot doon.
There's Bernal. Offensive foul. Sinong may kasalanan? Si Tibay. Nakikipagbunuan siya doon. Nasasak siya into the bad exchanges, you know? But he takes the ball away.
Bilis.
Goodbye.
Galing.
Goodbye. Hindi kailangan ng jump shot dito sa taong to eh, no?
Saka that was in traffic, ha? Daming defenders nun. It still gets a layup to go.
Alam mo, kailangan matutunan ng NHA, no? You don't need to play defense with your fouls. Eh. Sayang kasi penalty sila eh.
Straight up now, it's honest defense. You stand in the path of play. Huwag mo nang hatawin, no?
Kasi pag nakawala, babanggayin.
Tama yung sinabi mo, they are in penalty, so it's going to be free throws para dito sa GSIS. And he makes his first free throw pa, itong si Garcia.
Alfonso is on the floor for the first time. One of the HR staff officers ng GSIS.
Balik na naman sa dos itong mga kalamangan ng GSIS.
Ayan na, yung request mo.
Oo.
Tabi! Pinipit!
Sinupalpal ni Noyana. Tulak. Somehow still gets some points to go. Itong si Verba and the NHA.
Good call, traveling. Hindi na control ni Garcia pero lalamunan niya, tinatanganan niya, mukhang tinamaan ata ni Tibay.
And Coach Bennett Palad telling his big boy Valdez to just take it strong to the hole.
Sak mo, baby! Tatlo yung sumasabay. Jump. Possession arrow. GSIS.
Paglalaro rin kasi Seb sa ilalim, it's a mixture of lakas and then some good footwork. Pag medyo flat-footed ka, mahirap din maglaro dyan sa ilalim kasi dudumugi ka ng dudumugi ng mga defenders.
It's a different kind of life.
It is actually. Yung larong loob and larong labas.
No look pass. Verba take it away. Ladya. Kaya nga si Ronnie Magsano kinakantya. Kaya kung wala kang tirang under, dami mo alam tira, hindi ka marunong tumira ng under. I do not disagree, sir.
Pero grabe naman din yung range.
Range. Pero wala siyang tirang under. 10-point lead by the Furies. Seryoso ang coaching huddle ng GSIS. Lamang sila ng 10 pero not letting up. Kasi itong NHA, tama si Jolisco, parang nakadikit na ito kanina by 1 point pero hindi na sustain.
Oo. Simply hindi sila nakakagawa ng mga stops. Itong mga NHA. Pero pag open court, doon sila nakakuha ng mga baskets nila. You mentioned efficiency para dito sa GSIS partner. Ayun, ganda na naman. Drop pass dun sa may ilalim. At chance na naman na para sa mga puntos from the free throw area para dito kay Garcia. Kanina pa siya. Palagi lang siya attack basket. At doon na ako mga points nila.
Oo. Tsaka medyo efficient din naman sila sa free throw area. Ito, tira niya. Biglang-bigla. Pero pasok. Hindi naman importante.
Walong puntos pa rin yung Garcia. Hindi rin nagmi-miss ng free throw. 4 of 4 from the free throw area.
Nice pass. Sayang. Here's the launch. Beran can't control it. Quick jump shot against the glass. No problem for Bunyi.
Kala natin mabibitaw na ni Beran yung bola, na, pero nag-gather niya. Naiabot pa niya dito kay Bunyi. Nice back shot galing kay Bunyi.
Ladia ended up being held up in the air. NHA gets to keep it because the possession arrow has changed hands.
Pero kahit kontrolado po rin ng GSIS to, ako nakikita ko dito sa NHA, pwedeng biglang makakuha ng biglang run ito, no? Because they have some very dangerous players in itong sila Tibay and Ladia.
And Santos, I'm sorry, it's Palad who gets it from close range. Alfonso trying to control it, unable to do so. 20 seconds remaining.
Last shot time na yan para dito sa NHA. Ano?
Touch passing. Nice dish. Nice dish. And Santos got it.
Ganyan na ganyan din yung kanilang first quarter. No? They garnered some baskets towards the end. Yung dying seconds ng first quarter, bumaba ng 8 yan. Mukhang gano'n na naman ang mangyayari if he's gonna be able to make his free throw. Baba na naman sa single-digit leads. At Santos, puro gano'n ang kanyang free throws.
Yes,
puro
indeed.
net lang tumatama.
Oh, pero kulang sa baba ang
Yun
NHA. Alfonso bobbles, picks it up, loses control, and we're out of time. 48-39 is our count, and good rally by NHA, but they could not sustain it in somewhere at the top of the first or the bottom of the first quarter. Minama na sila no second quarter.
That's correct. At least naipapano yun nga, I mentioned single digits. Pagka ganyan, that's only 3 possessions. So at least nakadikit lang itong NHA sa GSI.
Absolutely. Let's go to Ryan for halftime stop.
Maraming salamat, Seven Jolly, dito sa UNTV Cup sa original at unique concept ng ating Mr. Public Service, Kuya Daniel Razon. Ang mga mananalong kuponan ay makakapag-uwi ng hanggang 1.5 million pesos upang itulong sa mga napili nilang charitable institution. Kaya naman ang bawat dribble ng bola ay nagkakaroon ng mas malaking kabuluhan dahil na itutulong ito sa mga nangangailangan. At para sa GSIS Furies, ang napili nilang tulungan ay ating mga lolo at lola na inaalagaan sa Golden Reception and Action Center for Elderly and Other Special Cases o mas kilala sa tawag na GRACES. Kilalanin natin ang beneficiary ng GSIS. Let's watch this. Isang kanlungan para sa mga nakatatanda ang napiling beneficiary ng isa sa mga bagong kuponan na nakiisa sa UNTV Cup ngayong Season 3, ang GSIS Furies. Napili nilang tulungan ang Golden Reception and Action Center for Elderly and Other Special Cases o mas kilala sa tawag na GRACES.
Ang GRACES po is under siya ng DSWD-NCR na kung saan ang aming main task po is to serve our elderly para sa maximum of 1 month na pananatili nila dito sa atin. So habang sila po ay nandito sa atin, para i-trace po yung kanilang mga kapamilya, sila po ay binibigyan ng mga basic material needs, pang-medical, pagkain, at psychosocial support habang sila po ay nasa adjustment period, especially po kung sila ay nawalay at naligaw po sa kanilang mga pamilya.
Sinisikap ng GRACES na maibigay ang lahat ng pangangailangan ng mga matatandang kanilang kinukupkop gaya ng isang pamilya.
Maramdaman po nila na ang GRACES po ay home-like, tulad po ng isang bahay na kung saan mararamdaman nila na sila ay secure, sila po ay safe, at sila po ay minamahal.
Ikinatuwa ng pangasiwaan ng GRACES ang pagkapili sa kanila ng GSIS Furies bilang beneficiary sa UNTV Cup. Nagkaroon sila ng pag-asang may makakaramay sa kanila sa paglingap sa kanilang mga kinukupkop.
Lubos po kaming natuwa kasi ito po ay nabigyan kami ng tsansa na ang pag-aalaga sa ating mga nakatatanda ay hindi nag-iisa ang DSWD. Andyan po ang iba't ibang government agencies at private institutions na kasama po natin mabigyan ng isang serbisyong totoo ang ating mga nakatatanda. Para po kay Brother Daniel Razon, in behalf po ng management ng DSWD NCR, kami po ay nagpapasalamat at sana po ay magtuloy-tuloy po yung unconditional love and care po para po sa ating nakatatanda. Mabuhay po kayo. Suportahan po natin ang team ng GSIS para po sa kanilang nalalapit po na laro. At good luck po sa team ng GSIS.
Yan po ang napiling tulungan ng GSIS Furies, kaya naman sa bawat laro nila ay siguradong punong-puno ng inspirasyon dahil sa ating mga lolo at lola na matutulungan nila. Kaya ngayon, magbabalik na tayo sa hardcourt to finish off the final half of our second game today. Ang paghaharap ng NHA Builders kontra GSIS Furies. Let's go back to Sev and Jolly.
Alam mo, ang kulang na lang itong NHA. Kontrola. Kailangan may konting gulang din eh, no? May konting diskarte din eh, no?
Oo, totoo yan. Pero nakita natin na evident, Sev, both quarters very much in control ang GSIS. Tama rin yung sinabi mo, dapat they just have to get in there itong NHA. Pero nakita natin may running game na maganda ito, Sev.
Minamama sila ng GSIS. Kahit anong rat-rat nila, kinokontrol pa rin ng GSIS yung laro. Which is how to yung konting pitik, konting hindi makarat-rat. Ano inaantay nila?
Birthday mo pala, sir.
Happy
birthday, happy birthday.
Sige na, game na. Hindi ko alam kung ano inaantay nila eh. Si Bennett pala, ganda ng itim. Biglang tinirahan sila ng tres. Ay, nakubuhay nga naman. Rina, ikaw muna.
Yes, have good start para sa kapunanan ng ating GSIS Furious, but the challenge for them is how to finish this ball game on a good note. Sabi nga ni Coach Mike kanina, 4 things important for them. They have to take care of the ball and take care of the score. Secondly, execute ang magandang offense nila against the press nitong kanilang kalaban. And thirdly, to box in one si kay Tibay, or pwede rin sila mag-zone defense dito. And lastly, improve yung kanilang transition defense, no? Meanwhile, sa kupunan naman ng NHA Builders, according to Coach Bennett, kulang daw sila ng intensity. They have to play with more fire pagdating dito sa ating second half. They have to focus more, play as a team more, and lastly, to play without hesitations at wag matakot sa nabanggain ang kanilang kalaban and go all the way to the basket. Sev?
Exactly, Rina. Thank you very much. With fire, tama yan. Hindi lang yung bangga ka ng bangga. Yung bangga kasama yan eh. Bakit ba hindi? Di ba?
Tama yan, Siyempre. On cue, habang nire-report ni Rina, isang magandang reverse layup galing dito kay Marvin Ladia.
Kasi yung bangga, psychological yan eh. Sige,
yes.
Para hindi didikit, hindi lalapit. Wala, ayaw.
Saan sinasabi mong bangga? Contact sport ito. So, kailangan magparamdam ka, di ba? Ikaw actually dapat mag-initiate minsan ng contact, ano?
Kay Dominic Quinn, nakuha ko nga. Sabi niya, before you make the block, banggain mo konti. Ano? Talaga?
Huwag yung obnoxious na.
Yung makakasakit. Yung kadyot lang ba?
Nudge lang.
Nudge.
Gusto mo lang mawala sa balance.
Pero ito, pag nag-limit, di ba yata yung sarap ng buhay na lagi kang balance. Ano, ha? Samantala, free throws, itong si Tibay. Naku, nire-respeto talaga siya ng ibang opona, no? Kasi, ito, kaso lang.
Yung free throws niya, no?
Restless siya pag nag-free throw, eh.
Ikaw, alam mo yan, kasi parang sa golf swing, parang ganun lang, isang movement lang.
Doon magaling yung Atoy ko.
Mag-golf? O mag-free throw?
Handicap, pareho.
Pareho.
Ang handicap ni Atoy, outset. Hindi tao yan, ano? Kasi isa. Ito na si Tibay. Oy! Ganda ng tago niya. Pero ito sumabit. Si ano yan,
Oo. Gusto mo ginagawa itong Michael Nayana na ito kahit na sumabit siya sa foul doon. Palagi siya nandyan. May resistance. Palagi nandyan siya. He will sprint back. Sasabayan niya yung mabilis na Valdemar Tibay. But these free throws from Tibay, di lang talaga pumapasok.
Alam mo, halata ko sa inyo. yung mga dating pro, nakalaro ng college, at least level PBL, pag automatic sa inyo bumababa. Siguro dahil kakasigaw sa inyo ng mga coaches nyo, no? Parang automatic bumababa. Oh. Kasi yung mga amateur lang na laro gaya namin, hindi kami agad bumababa. Pero sa inyo, natural bumababa.
Kailangan, Seve, oo eh. Kasi kung iisipin mo, okay, shoot ka na shoot, shoot ka na shoot. Yung kalaban mo, shoot din na shoot.
Exactly, exactly.
Yun ang ayaw natin eh.
Medyo out of control ang laro ng NHA. Binibilisan nila, pero sinasabayan naman sila na, eto na. Hindi kailangan yan.
This GSIS team knows that Tibay is the superstar of this NHA team. You know, they're trying to get his goat.
At naiinis din sila kay Tibay kasi sumusundot.
Dahil hinahataw talaga siya when he attacks the basket. The thing is, he's not making his free throws. Pababa ng kanyang porsyento. He has made 3 out of 8 attempts.
Si Palad, pampalitan ni Bernal sa kupunan ng NHA.
Bernal.
Actually, sinusubukan nilang asarin nito si Tibay.
Oo, siya yung heart and soul nitong NHA team. Ayan, nakashoot siya ng free throw, 4 of 9.
Pero ayun, nakuha nila. Ladja, arangkada. Ay, hindi, masikip. Traveling good call. Kasi hindi siya handa tumanggap ng bola. Akala niya titira na ni Ladja.
Nice call nga, eagle-eyed ang ating mga officials dito, no? 13, dyan lang naglalaro yung mga kalamangan. 12, G's, bababa ng Sham, then it will go back to 12.
Nice pitch. Ladja with a good catch. Umere, yes!
Tumingin pa sa side mirror niya kung
Side mirror. Alam mo, motorsiklo. Uy!
Steal na naman.
Ito na. Ladja, tinanggap. Yes! 2 in a row.
Ladja will not miss mga layups na ganun. 14 puntos na itong si Ladja. Actually, pareho sila ni Tibay, ano?
Sila ang 1-2 punch. Ika mo nga. Oh, good block. And a foul against Bunyi. Stopping the break.
Sideline lamang ang throw-in yan. Wala pa sa penalty.
Ito na yung taong bato ng GSIS. Si Manigpas. Pangalan pa lang, matakot ka na eh. Manigpas. Ay nga kay Ronnie, pagsanok, matatakot ka ba? Hindi, bait eh. Santos, dispalinghado ang tira. Off balance by Bernal. Santos gets it back. Nearly traveled but got it.
Alam mo, three-headed monster sila. Yan yung isa, si Santos, 14 din ang puntos. That's another steal. Naku! Masakit, hindi na shoot ni Ladja.
Yan, pwedeng traveling. Sa akin, ayan, 3 seconds. Ano tawag? Foul, 18. Offensive foul si Tibay.
It's the great nose for the ball itong si Tibay. Some substitutions para dito sa GSIS 7. No?
Pag ito hindi nag-ingat ang GSIS, magbabakbakang ito sa fourth quarter.
Oo.
Pero ang ganda yung ginagawa ng NHA. Oh, foul ka, bayon. Foulin bayon.
Just a pair of good hands itong kay Tibay. Inabot niya na naman yung sa pasa doon. Wala na magawa yung bayan, but to foul him na lamang. Ano? So, turnover na naman yan. It will go NHA way.
Masyado maagang bumababa yung pangalawang guardia ng GSIS.
Tama, dapat antayin muna.
Feliciano, ayaw. Sayang, sabi ni Coach Bennett Palat. Garcia, forward, Manigbas. Where is he going?
Wow.
Mukhang mahuhulog na siya din eh.
Very dangerous, pero somehow still gets it to Bayon. Ano?
Downstairs. Nice dipsy-do. Garcia.
Ganda rin yung pagka-locate nitong si Manigbas dun kay Garcia dun sa may ilalim. He knows that Garcia can make that shot.
Good word. Locate. That's exactly what he did. Ladja baseline. No, very low arch. May pagod na yung legs eh. Hindi ko mataas eh. Baka kailangan i-blow sandali. Pahinga sandali. Kaya nga, umatake si Nuyana. Na-foul siya, papasok.
It's going to be free throws para dito kay Michael. Yan na kailangan nila yan dahil itong nakakalapit na unti-unti itong NHA.
Iba ang atake ni Bennett Pilot. Papabayaan niya sila dyan. Sige, bata ka pa naman. Bayaan mo. Si Santos ang nilabas niya. Puro small ang gusto niya. Rat-rat na tayo, sabi niya. Feliciano, near steal. Fernandez, nakagulang ng konti. Lumipad si Nuyana at siya'y na-foul papataas.
Nuyana, no? Very smart player din si Michael Nuyana. Alam niya nga may sasabi at sasabi. He's trying to get some points from the free throw area.
Si Ladia ang foul. Si Dorolfo papasok, labas si Feliciano. Ito pa. Ano ha? Kahit 10 ang lamang, puno ng aksyon yung laro. Second free throw missed. Manigpas can't get the second attempt. And the ball will stay on the side of GSIS.
Nuyana has a total of only 3 points pa lamang in this ball game, pero madami siyang ginagawang iba.
Iba.
Oo,
No, hindi naman siya umi-score talaga eh.
Yes, he has 2 blocks, he has 4 rebounds. Binubuno niya yung stat sheet. Marami siyang nagagawa sa court.
Pero maganda isang point yung sinabi mong ginagawa niyang volleyball. Ang bilis niyang bumaba sa depensa.
Really sprinting back para walang mga easy layups din itong NHA.
Balik sa 11. Will stay at 11. Nagkagulangan. Talo si Dorolfo sa balasa. Obvious eh. Kita ng ref eh.
Kaya alam din nila nga rebounder itong Manigpas.
Kasi ang trick dyan yung hawak sa likod. Hindi ko sasabihin ko. Di ba, no? Yung hawakan dyan, grabe, no?
Totoo.
Yung kapitan, both sa uniforme, sa shirt. Kaya kuminsan pag, Rap!
Oo.
Rap! Wala ka ba nakita? Wala.
Pero mga officials, tinitingnan yan yung advantage mo sa position. If you have inside position or what. Kung nasa likod ka at hinahablot mo siyang ganun matatawagan ka talaga pagka gano'n.
Laki-laki mo, nagugulangan ka. Unfair actually unfair sa big man ang tawagan. Hindi talaga. Tingnan mo ha. Diba? Naisahan ka ng maliit. Second motion lagi nakikita. Berba lilipad. Nagbalik kay Bernal, lampas ang bola.
Sayang para sa NHA, hindi nila iniingatan.
Daming wasted possessions.
Bumaba na naman ng 7 yun and it's back up to
Gusto ko yung poise ng GSIS. Sige, rat-rat kayo dyan. Lamang kami, no? Si 63 rather, 48. And ito, another wasted empty possession. Timeout forthcoming. When Bennett Pilot gets a chance to do so. Nuyana, dish to the other side. Bayon. Ang lalim din ng bench ng GSIS.
Yes.
Daming ng player maasahan. May swerte pa. Kakainis. Diba? Pag ikaw yung kalaban, magaling na, swerte pa. Saan ka paglalagay noon?
And one opportunity pa yun ang binigay ng NHA. May free throw coming. Good timeout galing dito kay Coach Bennett. Parang kailangan nila yan.
Pag wala disorganisado, yung nasa side, nasa wing side, hawakan lang natin. Basta kailangan mabigay natin sa big man. Pag dito nakakuha.
Ganda ng idea na yun. Bigyan natin sa big man. I-stabilize ang opensa mo pag nasa big man ang bola eh. Kakalma lahat eh.
So basta nasa tamang position siya, di ba? Why not, di ba, sir?
Tsaka ang trick dyan, maganda yung eye contact between passer and big man. Ang sabi sa akin ni Dan Francisco, kailangan mo lagi bibigyan ng target yung guardia. Kasi kung wala siyang target, wala kang mapapasa. Tapos yan palang pag i-screen, pag pipick, may style pala yan. Hindi basta-basta i-screen yan. May ikot ng hips pa yan.
Correct, oo. Kailangan naka-establish ka talaga ng position tapos ikaw ang gagamitin ng guardia, hindi yung moving ano ka kasi matatawagan.
Ang paborito kong asarin dyan dati si Sunny Cabado. Ikaw kasi wala kang pihit eh. Diretso lang eh. Kaya ang takbo mo lang maganda pagka bumababa ka pag nakashoot ka. Ako na naman nakita mo.
Takbong mayaman.
Oo,
ano?
iba, no? The best. Sa akin, the best pa rin. Sa lahat ng nakita kong basketball, marahan na marahan. Slow mo na, ini-slow mo pa.
Maraming ganyan na player na pag nakaka-shoot, biglang
iba,
ganda lang
iba.
takbo.
JB Gayoso.
Ayan.
Yan.
Sabi commercial yun dati. Kaya yung, di ba, yung takbo niya talagang...
Takbong pogi.
Oo.
Palad. Nice intention, but there were too many blue shirts. Hernandez. Dinikdik. Walang pupuntahan yun. Tibay. Pero...
Hernandez, yan ang top scorer para dito sa GSIS.
Siya yung consistent ang laro actually. Tama ka. Ladia. Tibay, susubukan. Yes! Finally gets one.
Finally, it's first three-pointer in the ball game after ilang subok na rin. Itong si Tibay, 4 na pukol na. Ngayon na siya nakashoot.
Tibay, babalasa. Nakuha, 5-point swing.
Steals, Tibay, 6 na. Seb.
Yep, good call. It's a backing violation. Luyana lost sense of where he was.
Oh, that's a lot of steals para dito kay Valdemar Tibay. 6 na steal itong si Tibay. Tapos yung sinabi mo, 5-point swing. So bababa sa 11. Ito nga kalamangan ng GSIS.
Osteogard, Gogalaw, 3-point shot, courtesy of Quicksilver Tibay. Here comes Tibay, the focal point of the offense. Starts his grind, goes to Ladia, his partner in crime. Gets it to go!
Very nicely done. Sees a gap dun sa depensa ng GSIS. Inatake ni Ladia. Left-handed layup is good.
And the defense literally froze. Nice attack. But that won't bite, but there was a foul. Good attack by number 5, that's Beran.
Sayang, that's going to be free throws dito kay, para kay Beran. If you're NHA, you're just hoping na he doesn't make his free throws dahil bumaba na ng siyam itong kalamangan ng GSIS.
First prayer answered. Second free throw likewise no good. Here comes Tibay. Tibay flies, gets it to go, 7 points. And he had a couple of moments. And they're all over the court. 2 minutes and 8.
Wow. This is gonna be a good run para dito sa NHA.
Doon sa dulo, raratrat eh.
Tama. Hinihintay natin yung isang matinding run ng NHA. Kasi kaya lalo na pag open court, ano?
GSIS needs Hernandez back on the floor.
Oo.
They need to stabilize their game. Ball is on the ground. Tibay from 15. No. Nuyana. They didn't have to pitch it out. Ooh, and it'll go the other way.
Mukhang winded na rin itong si Tibay. Seb, like you said, is all over the place. Ano siya ang tumira ng basket doon. Siya yung nag-sprint back sa defense doon. So, sumasenyo siya kay Coach Bennett para ng timeout.
Oo, tignan mo. Hingal, taas ng angat ng dibdib eh. Timeout tayo. Lapit sa atin si Tibay, hingal kabayo.
Siya yung tumatawag ng timeout. Nakatingin siya kay Coach Bennett.
Hindi, di ba? May hingal ng basketball player na okay lang eh. Pero ito, hingal ka ba? Lahat naman ginawa na niya eh, no?
Pero he just needed a short breather. Ito na naman siya, number 18, Valdemar Tibay.
Oh, they're trying this. See, oh boy, is it penalty? Let me see. Penalty, Penalty, Boy, they're paying. If Tibay can nail his free throws.
Sayang. Wala yung kanyang unang free throw. 22 points na. 22 puntos na to si Quicksilver Tibay.
Ayaw.
Nakalagay sa ating monitor, 20, but I'm looking at the stat sheet.
Makaka-22. Tama ka. Yan ang tingnan mo. Tama.
Siya pa rin na
Siya pa
nakakuha
rin.
ng loose ball dyan. Babalik na naman siya sa linya. We have a ball game. 7 lamang ang kalamangan ng GSIS.
Pero ano yan, no? Pag yung gym free throws ni Tibay, no?
Oo.
Pagod. Tingnan mo, siya rumara. At saka nasasaktan pa ngayon, di ba?
Yun. 4 of 13. Can you imagine if he made
Yung mga bangga kasi yung mga
nakakapagod din
Oo.
yun, Seb. Oo.
mga umpugan ng tuhod.
Yes.
Sibal. Ay, offensive. Good call. Good call. Good call.
Good body position galing dito kay Palo. Dito, pagkakatao nga palitin pa. Ito nga, kanilang deficit na 6.
Ako, ito na, kapit po kayo. Mag-i-enjoy kayo ito. Itong
Inaasawa na.
inaasawa. Yan ang defense. Ganun ho kami mag-usap sa basketball. Inasawa na eh. Hindi lang box and one ito. Box, iuwi yung one. Hindi, ang mali naman ng NHA, isang pick lang ito, lilibre ko eh. Isang pick lang yan, lilibre lang yan eh. Kaso, hindi maka-adjust yung NHA na hindi si Tibay ang may tangan ng bola. So lahat sila, pipick ba kami o ano?
Hindi nila alam kung saan na ipepwes nila. Si Santos also playing very well para
Actually.
dito sa 14 puntos. Pero he misses a first of 2 free throws. May isa pa siya.
Usually, stable ang shooting hand yan. O, ito na. Bagsak na sa 5. Tatar, prata na ito.
Press na.
Huli! Santos ang nakahuli. Hawak ni Bernal. Bigay kay Tibay. Diba? It's a different team pag si Tibay ang may
Yes.
hawak eh. Oh. Feliciano waiting for the pass. Ladias had his break. Dangerous pass. They wasted it.
Sayang naman yun para sa NHA.
Oo. Pero smart lang itong GSIS. Ayan, Hernandez. Libre. Bang!
Wow.
Bang! Siya yung best performer nila.
Yes. Ang ganda naman din talaga ng stroke niya. So talagang you will give him, kung GSIS ka, pupuntahan mo talaga siya as an option from the 3-point area. 21 big points para dito kay Hernandez.
Good cut by Santos. Nudge, no whistle. Follow up, nothing. They want Santos to earn it. Saan pupunta ang bola? Tago eh. Ano yan? Tennis ball?
Counter steal ng counter steal dun
Ito si Sibal, walang pakialam. Sasagasa yan. Ito. 25 seconds, last possession. Santos, he's free. He's gone.
Nice play. It's down to 6. Last shot time ito para sa GSIS. Ang maganda-gandang fourth quarter ito, Seth.
69-63. Is Hernandez aware of the clock? Now he is. Late pass. Late yung pass. Pinapahinga si Tibay kahit kapiraso.
Oo. Good call yun. Ito munang si Sani muna at least to get about a minute or 2 bago mag-start yung fourth quarter. Alam naman natin yan ang magko-close out ng game para dito sa NHA. Ano?
Nice steal. Garcia. Wow, what a third quarter. What a third quarter. And here's a patrol. I am fit, I am it. 3-point. Hernandez. Boy, he's the thorn on the NHA side, really.
Oo, that's true. Pero binabawian talaga siya ni Valdemar Tibay. Kalagitnaan ng third quarter, bumulusok talaga. Big 3-pointer, 5-point swing. Pero si Hernandez andyan palagi para sa GSIS.
May mga laro. Fourth quarter pa lang. Kasi gusto mo na matapos. Kasi alam mo na kung sino mananalo. Pero ito, maganda ito. Both teams fighting tooth and nail. Ito, magandang bakbakan hanggang dulo to.
Pero Seb, talagang all of those 3 quarters talagang nagmamay-ari doon ng GSIS.
Ay, good point.
Natin. Oo, mention natin yung NHA has this capability of making a good run no?
But they have not completed the run. Here comes, galit na yung bata mo. Nangakambalos na.
Alam mo, hindi niya naman kailangan gumawa ng maraming puntos. Rebound lang siya para sa kanyang team. Tapos tatakbo na yung
bigay mo
mga
na kay Tibay. At bigay mo na kay Ladja at kay Feliciano.
Tama. Nagpapanggaan sa ilalim. Narinig ata yung throwing your weight around. Pinagbabangga niya yung si number 10 ng GSIS.
De La Cuadra with the foul. The shot clock is going to reach 14. 9 and 33 in the balance. Now what, if you're NHA, okay, gusto mo makahabol, pero what must you do better in the fourth quarter?
Well, you have your number one options. Very evident yung kanilang option na si Tibay and also yung si Ladyan. It's very important for them to make stops. Ay, mukhang binigyan ng instructions ito si Valdez. Ayun na nga, to bump mga big guys sa may shaded area.
Ang laki nun.
Oo. Just get the ball to your options. No? Sorry, Seb.
It's alright, but ang laki nun, pero kailangan dumipensa sila. No? Sunny with a big boost offensively. Boy, sumagasa na si Nuyana. And look at Sunny's Osteogard Gogalaw 3-point shot. Cutting the lead down to 3.
Alam mo kung bakit napakaganda ng shot na yun ni Sunny. Pwede magpahinga muna si Tibay.
That's a great observation. Hindi niya kailangan ibalik ka agad kasi within 3 pa naman eh.
Winded na rin to si Tibay. Talagang kayod na rin siya the first 3 quarters at siya nagpahabol doon.
Walang free throw na pumasok. Si Sunny lang yung diskarte sa bola lang. Medyo kailangan improve niya. Hindi niya kailangan ibigay ka agad yung bola.
Biglang anybody's ball game. Ito kanina, we had leads of 15, 12. Puro by GSIS, pero wala na. Naglalaho. Kanilang mga kalamangan.
Wasted opportunity. Ito, sakit ng NHA. Didikit. Tapos, ganda ng layup. Well done by Dennis Bournier. That's a rally breaker. Pamatay, sunog.
Maliit lang, Dennis Bournier, pero meron siyang momentum at maganda pagka-era niya. Malaki yung challenge niya doon. Pero gets the layup to go. Na-foul pa siya. So, bonus free throw para kay
Kaliwete pa. Ang hirap pigilin. Tapos ito, matapang pa. Hindi siya nakakatakot makipagpalitan ng mukha kay Tibay.
talaga eh.
And free throw. Makes it 72-66. 8:53 to go.
Kung GSIS yun, kinailangan mo talaga yun for a little bit of breathing room. At eto na, sa harap natin, tumawid na itong si Valdemar Tibay.
Makakuha siya ng at least 2 to 3 minutes na pahinga.
Yes, na pahinga. Fresh legs na naman.
Labas muna si Verba. Tibay is back in. Ladja is also there. Hindi niya kailangan ipilit yan. Too many big, good men from GSIS there. Good rebound by De La Cuadra. Nuyana, cross court. Ito, patay kaya kay Bumi. Hindi lang pumasok.
Earlier, he made that basket with a foul pa. Ano naman si Tibay.
Ladja, his partner in crime. Traffic. Palad was nudged from behind. Palad is half a step ahead against Bumi. He's waiting for him. No basket.
Good defensive stop. Galing dito kay Palad. Just standing his ground. That would have been a big one para dito sa NHA.
Valdez trying to erase the entire front line.
Tatlo ang nakakollapse dito kay Valdez. At dapat yan, hawakan niya ng matigas yung bola at iangat niya lang ng ganun dahil sasabit lahat yan. Sasabit lahat yan. Laki niya eh. Mga 6'2 din yan eh.
Pag nagpaggaan yung malalaking tao talaga. Kaya pag nagsuntukan sa basketball, yung malalaking nakakatakot eh. Masaya pero nakakatakot.
Mga 200 pounder yan. Bilag ka na.
Ladya lost his handle. Tibay, walang pinuntangan. Out of control. Nuyana wisely says, bakit natin mamadali? Si Garcia, however, mali ang basa sa sitwasyon. Tibay, and there's a foul by Garcia.
Buti na lang, may tumawag ng foul doon dahil itong si Tibay wanted to get a little cute. Parang yung pasang gusto niya ibigay kay Feliciano.
Parang yung pasa niya last Sunday, yung behind the neck.
Oo. Pero somehow that worked yung ginawa niyang yun. I think that was an assist no?
Nakahabol sila ng kaparaso doon. Santos. Tibay. Hernandez. Changed his hands in the air. Couldn't control it, really. Ladjab, giant steps. No angle. Nothing there. Santos trying to reach for it. Nuyana clears. Ito, pare-parehong nagmamadali. Hindi ko alam saan sila pupunta. Merkulis ngayon, walang sale ngayon. Relax lang kayo.
Itong si Tibay just standing his ground over the much bigger money.
Ang galing talaga. Tristan Hernandez.
Tapos yung quarter court left side, yun ang mga parang favorite spot niya. 24 puntos na yun, Sep.
Ang mamaling ng NHA, isakala nila may mintis. Parang ayaw eh, no?
Sweet shooting pala talaga to si Hernandez, ano?
Tsaka ano, consistent.
Oo.
Ito Feliciano, Nilobo. Ayaw na pumasok ang mga tira NHA. Palad with the foul.
Sayang din yan because that was down to 6. Doon sa may kanto kanina, may 3-pointer sana si Tibay, hindi lang pumasok.
Patrol, I am fit. GSIS uses its timeout. We'll be back.
Pag nakita niyo si Tibay, lapitan niyo na yung
GSIS beginning to think of time management. Yes and no, a little too early perhaps, but what they want to do is not to rush themselves into a situation they take it too early in the free throw.
Well, hindi rin
in the shot clock rather.
Precarious yung, yes, okay, it's a 9-point lead, pero lots of time.
Rat-rat pa ito.
Yes, exactly. Itong NHA. Talagang may capabilities na bigyan ka bigla ng kanina, you mentioned, like a 5-point swing, di ba? Boom, 3 points, tapos dos. So anytime nakakapag-run sila, very dangerous team din, ano?
Nuyana will inbound. Sends it safely to Garcia and then falls into a post. Oh, that's a nicely run play, although it didn't go in for Manigbas.
Typical big man moves kay Manigbas, marunong kumilos.
Twin high post again. Tinago, may foul. Binayo sa likod eh. Ganda ng pagkatago ng bola.
Binomba, no? Somehow.
Parang inuwi yung bola, hindi alam kung sino nag-uwi eh.
Somehow, naitira niya pa rin, no? Ito makikita natin, pero sayang lang na-miss yun nila. Pero we will go to the free throw area for 2 shots.
Ito. Si Hernandez, itong may kamay talaga sa panig ng GSIS. Let's see if Ladja can drill in some free throws. Makes it 17 for him.
Just a little bit under 6 minutes. Lots of time for a run para dito sa NHA. NHA.
2 for 2. And that'll make it 18 for Ladja. In the meantime, ayaw na sumundot. Double team na lang. Trap along the sideline. Near steal, Nuyana. Ball nudge from behind, but it's on the ground. Take it away. Ladja Gang.
Another swing na naman. Galing dito sa NHA. A quick 3-point swing or 4-point swing. Babasa 5 na naman yan.
They're still in the backcourt. It's taken away, but it's resecured. And it's lost.
It's a little evident na si Hernandez likes the ball more dun sa may 3-point area and not underneath. Ano? Sa dribble, tumama sa paa niya that time. Ito, pagkakataong ibaba itong 5-point na lang itong deficit para sa NHA.
Our good-sized, officially done on a Wednesday actually. Good-sized crowd here at the Isnara Sports Arena. Jump shot. Ayaw. Iangat. Ayaw. And they know. Tibay.
The smart players. Sinilip niya.
Finally the shot clock. Wild. Hernandez. Binanda against the glass. Nabitawan. Tibay. Hijack. Downstairs, and the ball will stay there with 17 on the shot clock.
These officials are just letting the players play.
Actually.
Mga non-calls yan, may konting contact yan, pero not enough for a foul, sabi ng ating referees.
The ball is taken away. However, this is a big layup. No problem for Bunyi.
Galing din yung atake ng Bunyi, no? Kanina from the left side, ang ganda ng kanyang alit. Ngayon, ganda na naman.
Kulang sa tao. Kulang sa tao ang NHA. Tumahit na pagod na. Hernandez, aray ko pag pumasok yan. Feliciano. 4 minutes. Feliciano, ayaw. So many blanks being released. And they're crowding under the baseline. 3-point shot. Short, just short.
1-on-1.
Ibabaon. Garcia. Wala. Reverse. Wala. Pero may foul.
Wow, just missed shots para dito sa NHA. Sayang, nandyan talaga yung opportunity. Just not able to capitalize on their baskets on the offensive side. This NHA, suddenly a 7-point lead na naman para sa GSIS.
Bennett Pollard using his last timeout. NHA with no more timeouts. On the other hand, GSIS has 2 to use if they desire to do so.
Hindi ko pa i-reward sa GSIS to Seb dahil talagang feeling ko ng NHA team. Well, because nakagawa ng free throw ng si Garcia, yun na, medyo it's getting dim na rin para sa NHA. But it's a lot of time, 3 minutes and 44.
They have to deliver on some possessions. Ano, daming 3-4 yung close to the basket. Ano?
Correct.
Out of control sila. Excitement eh.
Oo.
Kasi nakarally na eh. Ito, launch. Yes. Let's see. Let's see. It's down to 6. Kasi Tibay, matibay talaga.
It's going in at the right moment yung kanyang mga 3-pointers.
Kanina, hindi makaswak.
Oo, nung napisa, right?
And the ball is taken away. Laja and Bunyi. And a foot race. May foul si Bunyi.
Very good goal galing sa ating mga officials. He had advantage doon. Itong si Ladia.
Ito yung tres ni Tibay. Live it. Tibay Atay. Sarap ng buhay.
4 of 7 from the free throw area. Decent clip para dito kay Ladia. Pero now, he has to really try and make these free throws para yung 6 na puntos na kalamangan ng GSIS yung bumaba. No-brainer. That's an easy call for you.
Best player. Kung tinatanong ko sa'yo.
That's an easy call, actually.
Pero ito, yung Tibay or Hernandez could be the best players here. Just coming up with great performances. But look at this, you're right. It's down to 4. One mistake. Wow! Tibay! No look pass! Ladia! Yes!
There you go again with that behind the head back pass of Tibay. At na-complete ni Ladia. Very nice assist galing kay Tibay.
Eto na! Ang out of control ngayon ng GSIS. They make it.
Pamatay sunog.
Si Manigwas, iba ang laro nito.
At pagod na rin itong si Manigwas.
All game long na siya. Pero ito, mas dikit ito. 4 ito. It's better than being down by 8. Ay, naku, medyo out.
Kayang yun.
Feliciano, Hernandez, no.
Anybody's ball games have lots of time.
Absolutely.
2.5. Yes.
Here's Tibay. No look to Laja. Yes.
These two, grabe, Seb. Ladia and Tibay, naku, parang pinupulikat na. Itong si Valdemar Tibay at parang si Ladia rin eh. Parang he was kind of shaking off his leg. Pero 26 apiece yung dalawang yun, Seb.
Timeout taken. Timeout by GSIS.
Doon eh, hindi makakapasa yung pag dinikitan nyo eh. Dikitan nyo lang. Dikitan nyo. Ha? Kumuha kayo sarili-sarili tapos go hard tayo. Pag-alangan.
Ito na.
This is it.
Eto na. Last stand siguro. Wala nang timeout si Bennett. May isa pa ang GSIS. Bola ng GSIS. Ano?
Maraming oras pa yan. 2 minutes and 23 seconds pa yan. Pero kanina, you mentioned itong GSIS, very efficient. Ngayon nila dapat gawin yan, ang kanilang efficiency.
That is such a good point. Bautista bottled up. Ang bola nawala!
We're going this way, NHA way yan. It's going to be a turnover. Yun yung sinasabi natin. These little mistakes na kanina hindi masyadong nangyayari nung start of the ball game dahil magaling nga ang pag-ikot nila ng bola. Kung ngayon pa nangyayari para sa GSIS.
This very lively crowd. Not exactly the largest, but on pins and needles. Santos! Almost not quite. Ball is loose. Raja secures it. We are into the last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Walang gamot ang kamatayan. May lunas ang karamdaman. Ray Herbal Food Supplement. Dito katatagal. Are we going to be tied? Verba, nowhere to go. 1 minute and 40 remaining.
Sayang mo.
Eto, close range. Ay! Sayang din yun. Here comes Verba. Long pass. Santos, mukhang mataas. Labia! Huli ka! Huli ka! Nuyana with a great, great block. Hernandez, fake, shake, no! It will stay with GSIS.
Non-calls galing sa ating mga officials. Yung Nuyana partner just has great timing sa pagsusupalpal, ano?
Ang linis eh.
He has 3 blocks in the ball game.
Ito. Yan, ball eh.
Ganda ng timing. Oo, pwedeng i-non-call talaga, eh, no?
Actually, naiinis si Bennett sa discard. Ngayon masakit yan. Apat pa, wala siyang timeout, ha?
Yan ang kinailangan talaga ng GSIS. Naging 2 possession ball game. Napunta na tayo sa 1 minute mark offset.
They don't need a 3 now. They don't need a 3 yet. Tibay. Malalim. Pilit. Shot clock at 4. Verba. Feliciano. Tulis. Here's a 3. No. They don't take it.
Very smart play. Very nice.
Well done.
That's a play. Galing dito kay Bunyi. Nakita, nauuno na. Ang kanyang malaking kakampi na si Garcia. Easy layup para dito sa GSIS.
And there's a foul. Oh, so close, but so far, no. When you haven't been winning, every chance is
Oo nga.
so close.
He's not able to capitalize sa kanilang mga tira. Pero pag ganyang crunch time talaga, you really want the ball sa kamay ng mga number 1, number 2 options. That would be Tibay and Ladja.
Ladja had a chance, but he could have waited eh. But he was, may buwelo eh. Meantime, here he is. They're down by 6. Down by 5. Still time. They don't need to commit a foul at the other end.
Pag nagaba niya ng 4, may pagkakataon pa itong NHA team na.
That's press.
Yeah.
No, but they'll use the last time out. Let's try to listen into the GSIS.
Mamaya na. PB inbounder. 4125. 4125. 4125. Okay. Listen. Dennis. Top. Si... Hindi. Donel, labas. Mike Niana, Homer. Okay? Bigay natin kay Mike. Okay? Pagbigay kay Mike, cut, hand off, set lang tayo. Okay? Pre, good inbound lang. Makuha lang natin. Hawakan mo lang, Mike. Pag nakuha mo, face basket ka agad. Hindi natin kagad umisko.
Lalayo ako kay Bennett Palad, may hawak na bote ng tubig.
Totoo yun, Seven. Kanina medyo...
Baka kanina yung dismayan niya doon sa atake ni Ladja kanina eh.
Well, kung ako rin ang coach yun, maibabat ako rin talaga yung aking mineral water kasi andun yung the shots were there.
Both from the situation na hindi nakakuha ng tawag, tapos yung diskarte nung Ladja.
Yes.
You couldn't blame him also eh. Ito ang source. Akin double. Double.
He's gonna change the call. One
Oh,
official will
nauna
change the
yun.
call. Yeah.
Double.
Pwede ng official kung tayong dalawa. Nakita natin yun,
nauna
ano?
yung double eh. Warning.
Parang na-fumble na niya and then he dribbled
Ah.
again, ano? So talagang double yan para kay Noyano.
Yep. Tama yung warning niya.
This has to be a quick basket kasi 2 possessions ang lamang ng GSIS.
Naku, bakit kiladya? Ito si Verma, tira mo na. Wala. It's the discarte, no?
Sayang. But they had their chances. These were open looks to the basket. Ladya and then Verba.
Ito yung mga games, Jolly, ko ikaw NHA, yung hindi ka makakatulog ba siya?
Sakit, medyo masakit na talo. Pero, well, kung nakuha nila itong pagkapanalo to, this was going to be a come from behind win dahil GSIS controlled this game all throughout. Seb, ngayon na lang talaga sila nag-threaten ng grabe, no?
They were in control of the game. To take nothing away, it's exciting for NHA to give chase, but they didn't have some good decisions in the end.
Yes. And this, like we mentioned earlier, these were 15-point leads, 12-point leads. Yes, para sa GSIS. At we mentioned yung capabilities ng NHA na biglang magkaroon ng run. They did it, pero yun, parang nakinulang sila.
Ladja giving up the necessary foul, the tricky foul. And they're really out of time at this point. All Hernandez has to do, I think, is nail at least one.
Actually, they're pretty safe na kasi 4 na yan. So, naging 5 pa ngayon. After that, made free throw galing dito kay Hernandez. 25 big points make out. 25 lang. Pero this is his second offensive rebound pa si Maniklas.
Tapos na ito.
Pero what an effort. What an effort pa galing dito sa NHA, no?
Well done. Well done. In the meantime, our choice for best player is Tristan Hernandez. No question about it.
Definitely. Hernandez, 24 big points, 4 of 7 from the 3-point area, 57%. Ang taas, ano? Meron pa siyang 3 rebound dyan, 2 steals. So really helping his team. Ang daming yung kanyang stat line, napakaganda itong si Hernandez ang ating best player.
Okay, Johnny, thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the days to come. But let's send it to Ryan for this chat with Tristan Hernandez.
Alright, thank you, Seven Jolly. Kasama natin ngayon ang best player of the game ng GSIS, si Tristan Hernandez. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mahirap manalo.
It was a close fight between NHA. Ano masasabi mo dito ngayon na first time nyo ngayon nanalo? Kasi nakalaban yung mga ibang teams is natalo kayo. Ngayon kayo nanalo. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Nung natalo kami last game versus MMDA, pinaghandaan talaga namin itong NHA kasi pag natalo kami, wala lang kaming excuse eh. Pareho kaming bagong team. So sabi ni Coach, kahit anong mangyari, manalo tayo. That's why almost araw-araw nagpa-practice kami.
Right. Ano mga preparations ang ginawa nyo dito? Ilang beses kayo nagpa-practice every week?
Last week, almost 4 times a week. Meron pa kami minsan weekdays. So we really work hard for this game. We're really prepared for this game.
Right. Ano naman masasabi mo na first time din nakasali ng GSIS? You're one of the new teams na nakasali dito. Alam naman natin yung mga dati ng teams ng UNTV Cup. Ano masasabi nyo? Naging part kayo ng UNTV Cup Season 3.
Masarap yung feeling, syempre, lalo na kung pag nanalo ka. And magsisikap kami na work hard para manalo pa.
Alright, baka may gusto kang pasalamatan yung mga fans ng GSIS for sure nanonood dito and yung mga beneficiary ninyo.
Syempre, sa fans ng GSIS, support nyo ang GSIS at the same time ang UNTV Cup. Hi nga pala sa misis ko, sa anak ko. Sa in-laws ko, sa parents ko sa Batangas.
May bumabati pa sa'yo doon, no?
At saka sa mga office mates ko, hi.
Alright, once again, congratulations Tristan Hernandez for winning the best player of the game. Muli, congratulations. And we wish you all the best sa mga susunod pang mga laban ng GSIS Furies. At sa final game natin for today, eto na po, nakahanda na ang hard court, nakabang na ang lahat ng mga fans para sa paghaharap ng mga kampyon ng Liga. Season 1 champs Judiciary Mages kontra Season 2 champs AFP Cavaliers. Pero bago yan, let's pause for a short break because UNTV Cup will be right back.